Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can allow yourself to relax completely. Gently close your eyes and settle into a position that supports both your body and your inner calm. As you start to tune into this moment, notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the cool air entering as you inhale slowly and the gentle warmth as you exhale. With each breath, allow your muscles to soften and your mind to release the busyness of the day. In this safe space, let your heart open to the anticipation of love and compassion. Envision any tension dissolving with every exhale, leaving behind a sense of spaciousness and ease. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment, inviting a calm readiness to embrace the loving energy that awaits. Now bring your full attention to your breath. With each slow, deliberate inhale, imagine drawing in calm and nurturing energy. And with each gentle exhale, feel any stress or worry drifting away. Picture your breath as a soft, rhythmic tide that connects you to the center of your being. As your mind quiets, permit yourself to notice the natural pace of your heartbeat, a steady reminder of your presence and vitality. In this moment, allow each breath to deepen your sense of connection with yourself. With every inhalation, affirm that you are worthy of love and kindness. And with every exhalation, release any self-doubt or heaviness. Let this be a time where you nurture not only your body and mind, but also the precious space within your heart, where compassion dwells. Gently shift your focus inward to honor the love that resides within you. As you continue to breathe mindfully, silently affirm your own worth and embrace your inner light. Reflect on times when you felt supported, gentle, and kind to yourself, and let those memories infuse your spirit with warmth. Imagine wrapping yourself in an invisible cloak of self-compassion, a soft, radiant glow that reminds you of your innate capacity for love. In this space, extend forgiveness for any past moments of self-judgment or harshness, and allow nurturing thoughts to fill your heart. Recognize that self-love is the foundation upon which all other forms of love flourish. Let these affirmations settle deeply, reaffirming that every part of you is deserving of kindness, understanding, and gentle care. Now, gently extend this loving energy outward to those who fill your life with warmth and meaning. Visualize the faces of friends, family members, and partners, and allow your heart to radiate compassion toward each one. Consider a dear friend whose presence has brought laughter and understanding, a family member whose unwavering support has been a steadfast anchor, and a partner who has shared moments of vulnerability and joy. For each of these relationships, silently send messages of loving kindness. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, and may you be free from suffering. Imagine your compassion as a gentle light that connects you with each person, creating a network of shared empathy and care. Let your thoughts be kind and inclusive, embracing differences and honoring the unique journey of every individual. As warmth flows outward, feel a profound sense of unity and connection that transcends distance and circumstance. reminding you that love is a bridge that unites all hearts. In this space of loving expansiveness, allow yourself a moment of silent reflection. Absorb the serene energy you have cultivated and invite it to integrate into every fibre of your being. Notice how your heart feels more open and your mind more at ease. As you reflect, gently observe any sensations that arise, whether they are physical reminders of relaxation or subtle emotions stirred by the loving thoughts you have shared. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them with a gentle curiosity and then let them pass, returning your focus to the quiet beat of your heart. This is a time to simply be, without expectation, embracing the fullness of your compassionate nature. Allow the silence to nurture a deep sense of inner gratitude and understanding, anchoring you in the present moment where love and kindness are not just intentions, but lived experiences. As we begin to draw this meditation to a close, take a few final, gentle, deep breaths. Envision the loving warmth you have generated remaining within you, a soft glow that continues to brighten your inner world long after this moment. Carry with you the intentions of compassion you have cultivated, extending them to yourself in times of need and to others with a tender heart. Appreciate the care you have given, and remember that each act of kindness not only heals, but also strengthens the bonds that connect us all. As you slowly bring your awareness back to the room, invite a sense of gratitude and renewed energy to guide your day. Offer thanks to yourself for taking this time to nurture your spirit and embrace the loving journey ahead with an open, hopeful heart.